day everyone, this is Ivan Garcia, grade 12 from section Stellar, and we're making hollandaise sauce. Let's go! This is the ingredients and equipment needed while making hollandaise sauce. First, we have butter. And next, we need 3 eggs. And then, we need lemon. We also need pepper and salt. We need metal wrist for equipment. This is the procedure how to make hollandaise. First, crack 3 eggs. And next, get the egg yolks in egg white and put it in other container. Next, get a lemon and have a half portion of it. And squeeze the lemon so you have the juice. Next, put the lemon juice and the egg yolks. And stir it about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, in hot pan, you need to melt 1 bar butter. After you melt the butter, get the bubbles out. Next, put your egg yolks while stirring it continuously. Next, add the butter while stirring. After the mixing, you need to add pepper and salt for additional taste. And then you need to mix it well. And that's it. Our hollandaise sauce is completely done. What is your first impression of the sauce based on its appearance? How would you describe the aroma of the sauce?
It smells buttery.
How would you rate the taste and flavor of the sauce and why?
9 out of 10 kasi it's little sour.
Is the texture and consistency of the sauce appropriate? Please explain.
No, because it's too thick.
What do you like most about the sauce?
The taste, because it's good, but the sour is too strong.
What improvements would you recommend to make the sauce better?
I recommend less lemon.
Would would you be willing to eat or use this sauce again? Why or why not?
Yes, because it's tastes good, but it's sour.
On a scale of 5 being the highest, how would you rate the overall quality of the sauce? Please explain your rating.
3 out of 5 because it's too thick and it's little too